In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to create 2025 season comes to an end TikTok or Instagram reel that's been trending everywhere. So launch your TikTok app now. Click on the search icon given at the top right. Type in 2025 recap template and then search for it. You'll see multiple videos using different CapCut templates such as 2025 recap or thank you 2025, and you can choose any template you like. After selecting a video, tap on the CapCut, try this template option and then choose to use the template in CapCut. So make sure you have downloaded the app CapCut. This app is completely free. With this, your gallery will open up. Go ahead and select the photos and videos. Once you are done, click on Next. After it loads, from here you are able to edit the clips. The first clip you choose will act as the cover and will play for about 5 seconds, so pick one you really like. Now you can preview it and add text or sounds, rearrange clips, or make any adjustments you want from here. When you are satisfied with the final result, tap on export or choose add sound in TikTok to save the video to your gallery or share it directly on TikTok or Instagram reels. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.